Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to show how to integrate third party softwares in n8n workflow. I'm going to fetch every latest emails from my Gmail account and extract the information, feed into LLM, and categorize my email whether to prioritize or what to react or whether actions need to be taken, and later I'm going to send to any of my chat account as an alert. So it seems simple, right? So let's get started with Gmail. Okay. Mm, Gmail, yes. So this is a very basic structure. Each software have their own features. So you need to give like access ID or any different tokens for it. So I'm taking Gmail. So on message receiving Gmail account, what you need to do is you need to activate it by signing in. So when I already logged in. So when you try create new credentials, you can actually sign in with your Google account. Let me just have this done. So planning to do this with in here. Okay. Already have access. So you need to select certain check boxes here. Then give continue so that you will be signed in. Yeah. After 5 seconds, you'll be back. Yes. So this is done. Message received. So this is the event what need to be given because you're going to have the email messages. That's your input. So fetch test cases done. So this is my latest email from the inbox. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to add the LLM chain where I can specify the prompt for this event. LLM basic chain. So if you see in the input schema where you will have email ID, thread ID, and snippet. Snippet is my email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to define below. Okay, so I want an alert email saying whether I need to focus on this email or not. So let me ask my LLM to categorize this email based on its priority. Understand the email. So this is my prompt I've given. And what else I can add? Yeah, I need to add the snippet, which is my input. Yeah. So this part is done. Let me see. Oh, okay. Before that, I need to add the model, which is my plot. Oh, yeah. Now going back to my LLM, executing it. I should see the output here. Yeah. So it gives me, oh, high priority, respond immediately. Beautiful. Okay. So, yeah. Now, let me add any chat software, any chat platforms in order to get me the alert message. So you can add WhatsApp or Google chat. And WhatsApp, you need to give the uh, mobile number, give your mobile number. I don't want to give that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add Telegram. So Telegram basic structure is very simple. and it is very open for these kind of things. So for a demo, I'm just going to add a Telegram. Okay, let me go with the text message thing itself instead of, yeah. So ID is one more thing which you can generate in Telegram. If you give get, yeah, here is the option. At get underscore ID bot, you will get your ID. But before that, you need to create your own bot in Telegram. I'll tell you how. So this is another simplest thing and fun also. So this is the bot that I have created. If you want one, just go to add bot for father. Yeah, bot father is the it's fun to call actually. It's very funny. Okay, so bot father is your uh, hub of creating your own bot. I mean chat bot inside Telegram. So what you need to do is you can just search in here. I mean, you can just directly search here and get bot father and start a new bot here. I've tried like multiple names because most of the names were already there, it seems. So I just tried like multiple things. So I finally got one. So same thing you can do. And this is your access ID for your Telegram. When it asks for you, you need to give the access ID. Just if you click on this, you can actually copy. Just click. And later what you need to do is get a chat ID from this guy. Get ID bot. Another bot where you need to give at get underscore ID underscore bot, which was specified in that n8n instruction thing. So you need to get the chat ID from here. All you need to do is just start and it gives you the chat ID. Copy this and go back, paste it here. So the text would be this thing. Okay, the reply markup. I don't need any reply basically. So let's execute and see. Yeah, all you need is this. If you have a question on where to give the access ID, here's where you need to give the access ID. Just because I have logged in before, it gives me the Telegram account directly. Or if you are like new to this entire software thing, you can just create a new credential. Once you do that, you can just paste your access token here. So that's all you need to do. Now let me go and check this particular alert message in my Telegram bot. So when I go, here's the message. Boom. It gives me the security alert, immediate action required, and why this is urgent, immediate steps you should take. So it's like basically the notification which came from n8n asking whether it is me or a different person. So the email is that. So what I'm showing here is a simple execution. You can go with multiple key features inside inbuilt with so many different third-party softwares. It's between you and your use case. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.